give these a try for sure. And let everyone know in the comments that you did and just how wonderful this recipe is. Perfect for the holidays because, as you can see, they are so decorative. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome back to my kitchen. You guys, Christmas time is here. I'm super excited about it, and I am all about the Christmas holiday and the food that goes along with it. And one of the things that I decided would be perfect for the occasion would be some shortbread cookies. You know, you guys, shortbread cookie, it is a clean slate because there's only a few ingredients in it. It is a relatively plain cookie, not too sweet. And again, you can decorate them, embellish them with so many different things. And today I am going to share with you exactly what I intend to do with this particular recipe. So if you want to learn how to make these delicious Christmas inspired shortbread cookies, stay with me and I will show you how coming up next. All right, welcome back everyone. So in a couple seconds, I'm going to show you how I put these cookies together. But what I did is, because I wanted to form this into a log and then refrigerate them just so they could firm up, I actually made the batter, the dough, last night. So next day, here we are. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you footage as far as how to put these together. And then what we're going to do is come back. I'm going to slice these, we're going to bake these, and then we're going to decorate. All right, everyone, we're going to start by creaming this butter. Okay, the sweetener has been added. I'm going to give this a mix just to make sure that this stuff does not go flying all over the place. And we are going to continue to whip this until this butter is nice and light and fluffy. Okay, everyone, I ended up creaming this for about, oh, that looks wonderful. Ended up creaming this for about 7 minutes. And this looks really, really good. Nice and fluffy. And another important thing is that the crystals from the sweetener, they have disintegrated into this butter. Now at this point, it's time to go ahead and add in the almond flour. And I'm also going to add in some xanthan gum to help bind this dough together. And again, this butter looks amazing. Nice and creamy. And again, it has the sweetener incorporated into it. So now at this point, I am going to slowly add in this almond flour. And we're going to end up with a pretty thick dough. Some of this xanthan gum too. All right, everyone. So the almond flour, xanthan gum has been mixed in with this sugar butter mixture, and now it's time to put it in some saran wrap so that we can refrigerate it so it can chill out for a little while. All right, everyone, we got this saran wrap. Let's go ahead and put this dough. And we are going to form a log. And just for the time being, make it as even as possible because we are going to finish forming this when we roll it into the saran wrap. Okay, you guys, so here you have it. We've got this log. So what I'm going to do at this point is go ahead and put this in the refrigerator and let it set for at least for at least an hour. And then at that point, it will be ready to take out, and then we can cut it into the size cookies that we want to bake. All right, everyone. So that was a very simple dough to make. And at this point, we are ready to go ahead and cut them into the slices. Okay. And probably about 1/4 of an inch or so, each one. Okay, so now that we have every cookie cut out, I am going to place them on my baking sheet. I've got 2 here, and place them evenly apart. And then guys, they are gonna go into 3 across. They're gonna go into a preheated 350-degree oven. All right, you guys, hot out of the oven. So we just need to let them cool, and then we can get into decorating these cookies. All right, everyone, let's go ahead and decorate these cold cookies. So in these containers, I've got some jam, some homemade keto-friendly jam. I've got strawberry here, and I've got blueberry here. Just put a little dollop in the center of these. And just to make them a little extra special, let's go ahead and put a little bit, oops. Let's go ahead and get this out of the way. Hey, a little bit of powdered sweetener. And now we are continuing on with some white and dark chocolate, and also some homemade keto-friendly peppermint sprinkles. All right. All right, you guys, and here you have it. All right, everyone, welcome back. These cookies are ready, they are decorated, and all that's left to do is our favorite part, and that is to give them a taste. So, Lord, I thank you. So let's start with this one. Now, this one, you guys, is dark chocolate on one side and it's plain on the other. So let's just taste the plain shortbread. Delicious. It is just the right amount of sweet in this cookie, you guys. Absolutely perfect. So let's taste a little bit of dark chocolate. This is a good base recipe, you guys. Again, it is a blank slate. You can eat them plain, just as you saw me, or you can decorate them and embellish them with extra layers of flavors such as the dark chocolate and the white chocolate and the jams right here, which I'm going to give you a taste in a second. And then also the last thing that I put on these was some homemade peppermint sprinkles. So let's give one of the ones with some strawberry jam a taste. Give these a try for sure. And let everyone know in the comments that you did and just how wonderful this recipe is. Perfect for the holidays because, as you can see, they are so decorative. So give this video, guys, a thumb up, please do share, and please do press the subscribe button below. And remember to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And you guys, it is a great day. You make it your own kind of special with delicious, keto-friendly recipes such as this. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I'll see you all real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say Too. Thank you guys, and I will see you soon.